Hello everyone, welcome to Manifest IAS. Learn the wisest way. Our General Studies Foundation course is based on instruction, assessment and guidance. Now let's see what our instruction component consists of. First, lecture by subject expert. Second, every class shall have linkages between static and current affairs. Third component shall consist of class notes and handouts. Fourth, daily sprint test based on revision readings. The class begins with the lecture by subject expert.
Hello all. Let us understand the topic Constitution and Constitutionalism today. So what is Constitution? What do you understand by it? Anybody in the class? Now we'll move to the most advanced dimensions of the topic, doctrines. Doctrines to interpret Constitution. Have you heard of these doctrines? There are some 20 to 25 doctrines important for UPSC. There was a question as well in Mains 2019. Finally, we'll discuss the current dimensions. In Navtej Singh Johar case, Indian Constitution was termed the transformative constitution. I thought of doing a few more topics. Time is up. Anyways, now is the time for your questions. Feel free to shoot them. Remember, even the dumbest question will be encouraged. Take your sprint test now. There are 5 MCQs and 1 subjective question. Once you are done, I will discuss the solutions and the model answer. Don't forget to collect the handouts before leaving the class. I have dictated the most important analytical aspects so that you remember them well. Other topics are in those handouts. They are my years of experience concised in a few sheets.
Hey, this is Tanya.
Hi, I am Shahid.
Wasn't the class very good?
Yes, it was. I have put 3 years into UPSC but never came across so many doctrines.
Seriously, being a beginner, I felt really comfortable. He started with the most basic concepts.
So this was all about our instruction component. No preparation is complete without repeated evaluation. Our assessment component consists of 38 prelims and 27 mains mock tests. Prelims mock tests are held on Sundays, followed by test discussion and detailed synopsis. Similarly, after every module, you will have mains mock test followed by detailed discussion and evaluation. The relationship between teacher and a student though begins in class but never ends there. And here comes the role of guidance. Our permanent in-house faculty will handhold your preparation through one-on-one guidance program. This gives ample opportunity for both beginners and experienced candidates. In a nutshell, our foundation course delivers 700 plus hours of general studies and CSAT instruction, 4 rounds of revisions through assessment, and personalized guidance until you achieve your dream job.